So it's run to the air lead. It's right here. This is the hard drive for it, and then
what software do you use?
It's PC Demus. It's called. It's part of the software package that came with it.
Is it a good software package?
Yeah, it works good for the machine. There's a few things on it I've never been able to figure out how to run, but it's just because I just kind of learned it on my own.
Okay.
So it's like right here, I've got a split screen here. This shows the graphics, and this is the data.
Okay.
You can set that up. There's multiple ways to set that up, but
yeah, I think
this is the top page. So this is the data that was active on the last job. I'm just deleting it here.
Okay.
And so that's gone now.
So now you've got a new screen.
Yeah, there's your new screen.
And this is your new header that comes up with every screen.
That's right.
Okay, and then that's your graphic part.
That's the graphics, yeah.
And then you got a mouse here and a little clamp.
There's a mouse here for this controls this part of it, and then this mouse controls the screen part.
Right, and you got a Renishaw probe here on the end of your.
There's a variety of different probe sizes.
That's okay. We don't need that for the purpose of the video.
There's different probe sizes that come with it.
Okay.
That you can attach. There's up to a 4mm. I've never been able to qualify this one, but like I said, I never really got any formal training on this.
That's fine. So you're going to measure a part for me, or just show me how it works?
Yeah, I can measure. What do you want to measure?
Whatever. That doesn't really matter.
1, 2, 3 block.
Yeah, that's fine.
I like to use for a quick reference. I use this block and put with tape on it just to hold stuff in place. It's easy.
Okay.
You know, just say that was a part.
Okay.
This is double sticky tape.
Okay.
Which makes it just quick.
Okay.
But you do have clamp down available.
Right.
If you want to clamp something down.
Right. So what do you do now?
Okay. So if you wanted to qualify this block, you would release these. These are the release for the air releases, and then you hold it right here, and it's a manual, operated.
Okay.
And so there's your slides.
So you just bring it down and touch off on your part.
Yeah. So I always start out with creating a plane. That's usually the first move. So I go on the top here and just lightly create a plane with however many. You can check flatness or whatever you want there, but I always start with a plane and I lock these down, and then I enter this value. These are 4 pings that I took on the top, and then I enter that with the middle click, and that enters that plane. It gave me a spear because there probably was another hit that I didn't see, so I'm going to redo that. Because sometimes if there's a hit that happens up here, it will throw a bone, which gives you a spear. Okay,
and enter it.
Enter that. Should be a plane there.
Yeah.
And then so now to manipulate that plane, now you go up here and so you can say insert, align new, and then choose the plane, and then you can level it right there. That levels it, and then OK, and that just leveled that plane. And then if you wanted to set that level at Z0, you can do that too. So insert, align new again. You can choose that plane again, hit Z origin, OK, and now we've leveled the plane and set it at Z0.
Okay.
So now if I came down to check the length of the block, I came down to here,
right?
I could check the length of that block.
That's probably good enough.
Or I mean, I can, and then you line up. You line up a